Hey there, history buffs. Today, I want to take you back to October 1st, 1875, when the Supreme Court decided a landmark case that changed the course of immigration law in the United States. Let's dive into Henderson v. Mayor of City of New York. Back in the 1870s, the United States was experiencing a significant influx of immigrants. New York, being one of the primary entry points, imposed a head tax on incoming passengers to cover the costs associated with immigration. This was known as a passenger tax. The case began when Edward Henderson, a British citizen, challenged this tax. Henderson arrived in New York aboard the steamship Victoria and was required to pay the head tax. He argued that this local tax interfered with the federal government's exclusive right to regulate commerce and immigration. The case eventually made its way to the Supreme Court. The justices had to determine whether New York's passenger tax was constitutional. The key issue here was the balance between state and federal powers, particularly in regulating immigration. On October 1st, 1875, the Supreme Court delivered its decision. The court ruled in favor of Henderson, stating that the New York passenger tax was unconstitutional. They argued that immigration regulation was a federal matter and that states couldn't impose taxes that interfered with federal authority. This decision was monumental because it reinforced the federal government's exclusive power over immigration regulation. It set a precedent that states could not enact laws or taxes that conflicted with federal immigration policies. This case laid the groundwork for the development of a more unified and cohesive national immigration policy. Henderson v. Mayor of City of New York is a prime example of how the Supreme Court's decisions can shape the nation's legal landscape. It highlighted the importance of federal authority in managing immigration, a topic that's still highly relevant today. So next time you think about the complexities of immigration law, remember that it was cases like Henderson's that helped define the legal framework we have today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating historical insights. Catch you next time.